Ever wondered why nature chose green as the color for plants? The answer lies in the marvelous process of photosynthesis. You see, the green we observe in plants is not a random choice. It's the signature of chlorophyll, a pigment that absorbs sunlight. This sunlight is then transformed by plants into energy in an extraordinary process called photosynthesis. It's a green energy factory, silently at work, powering life as we know it. Yes, it is the green pigment chlorophyll that makes photosynthesis possible. So, how does this solar-powered magic trick called photosynthesis work? Well, let's break it down. Photosynthesis is like a recipe that plants follow to make their food, and it only requires three main ingredients: sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. First, plants catch some rays. They absorb sunlight using a pigment called chlorophyll, found in their leaves. This light energy sets the stage for the rest of the process. Next, plants take a deep breath. They draw in carbon dioxide from the air around them. At the same time, they soak up water from the soil through their roots. Now, it's time for some kitchen chemistry. Inside the plant cells, the absorbed sunlight acts as a catalyst, sparking a chemical reaction that converts the carbon dioxide and water into glucose. This glucose is the plant's food, their fuel for growth. But there's a bonus for us too. As a byproduct of this process, plants release oxygen back into the atmosphere. And just like that, with a dash of sunlight, a sip of water, and a breath of carbon dioxide, plants whip up their food and give us oxygen in return. But why is this process so important to us? Photosynthesis. It's the lifeblood of our planet. It's the green engine that fills our lungs with oxygen and our plates with food. And it doesn't stop there. Photosynthesis is also our ally in the fight against global warming, reducing CO2 levels and helping to cool our warming world. So the next time you see a green leaf, remember, it's a tiny factory working tirelessly to keep us and the planet alive. That's the magic of photosynthesis.